In this video, we are going to learn how to do reverse parking in 5 easy steps. So let's get started. Step 1. Find an empty parking spot. Step 2. Position your car so that your shoulder line up with the center of the second parking spot. Step 3. Put your car in reverse and turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. Step 4. As your car enters the parking spot, straighten the steering wheel. And step 5. Finally, put your car in park. And there you have it. Reverse parking made simple in just 5 easy steps. Remember to practice this technique in an empty parking lot to build your confidence. With time and practice, you will become a reverse parking pro. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.